Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Want this? Copyright issue. Let's start. First, add 5 pictures of your idol, duration 1.7 of all pictures, and 11 clips, duration 0.6 of all clips. Go to Effects and choose Spark, and then choose Flame Frame Effect. Click on Adjust and make color 0, filter 0, speed 100, size 0, and intensity 0. Make the effect as long as your picture clip duration is. Copy it and apply it to other. For pictures clip. Sorry if my English is bad because it's not my first language. And sorry also if I am slow. You can skip the video little bit. Then go back and click on background. Then click on blur and choose the last one. Zoom it a little like I am doing it. Repeat this process for other 4 pictures clip or follow my steps. If you want the audio of this video, then click on the link which is in description and download my video from Instagram. Now go to the effects and select Fade In. Make the speed 76. Click on Object and select All Video. Adjust it according to the first picture clip. Now go to Transition, select Basic and click on Left. Now for the second transition, select Basic and click on Up. For the next transition, select Basic and click on Flip. For the next one, click on Right. Now for the main transition, go to Light, Effects and click on Light Sweep. And for the rest of all clips transition, choose Black Fade. Now go to the Effects and click on Oblique Blur. Now make it as short as you can. Now click on Adjust and make the blur 80 and rotate 70. Click on Object and select All Video, it's necessary. Now add to keyframe 1 at the start and 1 at the end. On the second keyframe, make the blur and rotate to 0, and if you want to add graph, you can also select graph and choose Ease at 1. Now copy it and apply it to other 10 clips 2 times. Now, if you want to do this next step, then do it. It's up to you because it's not necessary. For the next step, add a white picture. Make it as short as you can. Add two keyframes at the start and at the end. For the first keyframe, go to Splices and make it 63 or 65 or follow my steps. For the second keyframe, make it 21 or 20. Now copy it, apply it to other 10 clips. Now save this video and if you want better quality, go to the Wink app. Select first option. Select your video. When you are done, save this video and go back to Capcut. And choose your video. If you want it black and white, then click on Adjust. Make saturation -47, contrast 25, brightness -5, sharpen 70, and you're done. It took me hours to make this video. If you guys find my video help or if you liked my video, then appreciate me and subscribe. If you want the audio of this edit, click the link which is in description and download my video. And if you want any other tutorial, let me know in comments. Till then, stay safe.